So this one had a lucky escape today. He wanted to cook it. Oh. So welcome to today's video, folks. We're here in Palasanon, very close to, or next door to Chin's land.
Ingat! Welcome to Palasanon. Here's my auntie, my tia Tisi.
So we're going to be heading up to the large waterfalls. These falls are owned by Chin's cousin Rachel. I hope you enjoy seeing them. It is quite an adventure. We are looking forward to it.
Hey! Like that? Sus, ginog, swapa oh. Sapa na mo sa una. Welcome to Palasanon nature. Sus, kalisura po dani nga nature. Very difficult nature. Tama. Nakasuso ka. Baby. Suso of totoo. That's her dinner tonight.
I just can't resist taking a photograph of small waterfalls, large waterfalls, any kind of waterfalls. As we overlook the rice fields here. It's starting to rain a little bit now, so it doesn't really matter if we get wet anyway, because we're going to go up to the waterfalls. Toto's here still looking for snails.
Wow! Waterfall! This is the real waterfall, original.
We're all debating now on whether we should carry on. But as you can see, we carry on. Even Michelle's looking for snails. As you can see now, the current is actually getting stronger and it's getting wetter.
Ikaw! Kaya man nagway? Dao, 3. Sige na! Asan mo siya, Rachel? Na, hanapin na natin. Adventure! Layo ba dito?
We're not even halfway yet. And all this has not been walked through for quite a long time. Here I am keeping up with the pace. The rubbish that's been dragged down in the storms before now is quite evident. But it doesn't hinder our way, we carry on.
Asa manage?
And everything here is so lush and green.
Wow! Gosh, when we go down, the problem now. Wow, Palasanon adventure.
I'm taking my time because I'm an opportunist when it comes to photographing something. And to be honest, there's so much here to photograph.
What a nature! Sige, pagpayong. May problema. May problema.
This waterfall here, it's only one of the smaller ones, but it's still about 6 or 7 meters tall. That would be nice to have a shower in.
Taas, wala tayo unungan.
Do we stay or do we go?
Step, you go. Go.
We are here. My sister, Rachel, my brother-in-law, Romel, Toto, my sister, my husband, Steve.
So, bigger waterfall, more pictures.
Ang basa ng putak. Wow.
But this is the only way up. This is the way we're gonna go.
Tabangan si Meme. Help.
Toto explains it's slippery going up here.
Okay, okay. Sige na, diretso na mo. May problema.
But they made up with no problem.
Stay. Ano si Meme? Picture. Okay.
And I made it too.
Palasanon waterfall. Palasanon nature. Look at that. Welcome to original Palasanon Falls. Here's the owner, Richard Solando. I'm not the owner.
The sound of the water is now getting louder, but we can still hear the birds in the background. No problem getting to the top.
Oh, diara mo, sige. Michelle scared. Had look. Romel. Okay. My turn. Look at me. I'm brave. Wow. What a fall. Original waterfall. Careful, Maya Hasawa.
This is where the water really gets strong and really noisy.
There we are. Rachel, the owner of the original waterfall. My cousin water. Oh, look at that. Welcome and discover the nature of the original waterfalls in Palasanon. Bilando, Rachel, the owner.
What a sight to see. So much water coming out of the mountain. And it's really, really loud.
Relax ka na. Night.
This is right at the entrance to the cave now.
Wow, nature. Welcome to Palasanon. Welcome. What a view. Oh, what a water There is a cave inside. Not today we get in. Dili karon. Next time, Lord.
We were fortunate at this point that the rain had eased off, because now we've got to think about getting back down.
Survived there. We come from up. We're going down now. In a nature trail.
This is when we really need to take our time. One slip and it's a bit of a drop. And she's got her leg stuck. Oh, she's okay. Well done. So we're just coming back down from the falls now, and I've noticed, as Kim's walking down here, look, so I've noticed how massive these thongs are, whatever they're called, on the palm trees. They're enormous. Everything here is huge. So the only way to get up to the top of the waterfalls is walking up the little stream. But it is going to get stronger as we go up. This waterfall here is part of the water that comes down to Chin's land. So we're heading back down again now, carrying on. And it's a little bit precarious. So it's probably more difficult going down than it was to go up. But hey, that's all part of the fun. So Toto, Ramel and Michelle are all up there, or down there, way ahead of us, but Chin coming now. Yeah. So we're about a third the way down the falls now, and when we come back into the rice terraces, I'll show you those in a while. Down by the top rice terraces now, here, and they're collecting snails for dinner. Busuk. Busuk. Snails. I've got to eat snails. No. This is really slippery here. There's a leaf on the mud and you stand on it, it slides. Be really careful. So the electric company have been putting poles in to supply electricity to these outlying villages. That's brilliant, really good. I'm not sure if they have to pay a connection fee or whether they can get that put on their bills and pay it over a few years, because these people are a little bit poor. Carry on. Rachel has just asked me if I want an umbrella. There's a native one over there. So
Rachel wants to say something?
listen to what Rachel says. He's going to say something. An announcement.
Rachel said, welcome to his original Palasanon waterfalls.
Yeah.
Okay? This is the original, not copy.
Not a copy. And no alligators.
No alligators.
No. Oh my god. He's having a wee. Rains are really coming down now. Good job everyone's got waterproofs on. Waterproofs! So we've nearly made it back to the ranch. It's easier actually to go through the water than it is to try and get through that, but we've now got to go through that. There we go, we're just going to go up there now. We emptied the tilapia pond so that we can have a fish. So here we are, back home. Soaking wet. Lots of fun. Alright! Alright! Go under the temporary tent. Adventure over part 2.
Adventure over in Palasanon.
No, part 2.
Part 2?
We've got to get back down yet.
Oh shit.
So we got back to the house, we've dried off a little bit, and the observant among you will notice I've put a red shirt on. Michelle brought a load of shirts with her. I think she was expecting to get wet. So we're going to have a bit of lunch now. I think we've got a bit of native food, so this will be interesting. I'll share it with you when it comes out. So we've eaten our dinner. So now we're going to make our way back down to Consumer Lake, to where the car is. Should take about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. It's a precarious route, to say the least. We've had a lot of fun and good food, good company. But we'll head down the hill now. So this one had a lucky escape today. They wanted to cook it. Oh. So thanks for joining us today, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a like, subscribe and share it with your friends and family. And we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.